If you are someone who's short on storage space, travels often, or just want a super convenient way to get around, folding e-bikes might be exactly what you need. They're compact, ultra-portable, and easy to transport, whether it's in your car trunk, RV boat, or even just in your apartment or office. And while they might not always match the performance or comfort of larger bikes, the trade-off is unbeatable: convenience and flexibility. These bikes are perfect for students, city dwellers, travelers, really anyone who doesn't want to deal with bike racks or leave their bikes locked up outside. Now, there are a few types to consider. Compact folding bikes. They usually come with 16 to 20-inch wheels, super easy to carry and fold up, ideal for commuting. Full-size folding bikes. They have larger wheels like 26-inch or even 700C, offering more stability and comfort, but they're a bit bulkier when folded. Then, there are performance or off-road folding bikes. These are built tougher with suspension and can handle rougher terrain, while still being foldable. And finally, ultra-lightweight folding bikes made from materials like titanium or carbon fiber for minimal weight and quick folding. At ENVO, we've got something for everyone in this category, from the ultra-compact Lynx 16 and Lynx 20 to the rugged Flux Overland, and even specialized options like our folding trike or snow bike. The Flex platform is especially exciting. It's modular, powerful, long-range, designed to adapt to any kind of lifestyle, whether you're riding with your kids, hauling gear, or going off-road. And the Lynx series stand out for being lightweight, sleek, and street legal, while still packing serious performance. To learn more about which kind of ENVO folding e-bike best matches your needs, just click on each product, check out the details, and watch the related videos.